everyone, and welcome back to Learn English Hub. My name is Emma, and I am incredibly happy to be here with you today. This is a safe and friendly place for you to practice your English listening skills.
Hello, dear friends. My name is Daniel, and I am so glad you have joined us today. We have a truly wonderful topic to talk about in this episode. As always, we promise to speak slowly and clearly so you can understand every single word.
That is right, Daniel. We want you to feel relaxed and comfortable while you listen. Today, we are going to talk about a very beautiful time of the year. We are going to talk all about the spring season.
I love the spring season so very much. After a long, cold, and dark winter, spring feels absolutely amazing. The weather starts to change completely, and the whole world looks happy again.
Yes, winter is often very cold and gray. You have to stay inside a lot because of the snow and ice. But when spring finally comes, the sun shines brighter and the days get much longer.
I agree with you completely, Emma. In spring, the air feels so fresh and warm on your skin. We do not need to wear our heavy, thick winter coats anymore. That fact alone makes me very happy.
Me too. I really like to put my heavy winter coat away in the back of my closet. In the spring season, I only wear a light jacket or a soft sweater. What kind of clothes do you like to wear in the spring, Daniel?
I like to wear very comfortable clothes when the weather gets warm. I usually wear cotton t-shirts and my favorite blue jeans. But I must say, I always make sure to bring an umbrella with me. Spring weather can change very fast, and it rains quite a lot.
Oh yes, spring rain is a very common thing. Sometimes the sky is bright and sunny, and then suddenly dark clouds appear and it starts to rain. But we must remember that the spring rain is very important for the earth.
That is very true, Emma. The water from the rain helps all the dry plants to grow again. After a good spring rain, everything looks so clean, green, and beautiful outside.
I really love watching how nature changes during the spring. The grass in the parks turns from a dry brown to a very bright, rich green. The old trees slowly start to grow new, small green leaves on their branches.
And the flowers. We certainly cannot forget to talk about the beautiful flowers. Spring is absolutely the best time to see bright flowers in the gardens and in the city parks.
Oh, the flowers are definitely my favorite part of the spring season. I love to walk around and see tulips and daffodils everywhere. They have such amazing and bright colors, like bright red, yellow, pink, and purple.
Yellow is actually my favorite color for spring flowers. They look like happy little suns resting in the green grass. Do you like to plant flowers in your own garden, Emma?
Yes, I really enjoy gardening on the weekends. It is a very relaxing and peaceful activity for me after a busy week. I put on my old clothes and work in the soft dirt to plant new flower seeds.
That sounds like a lovely way to spend a Saturday. I do not have a big garden at my house, but I have some small potted plants on my balcony. I give them fresh water every day and watch them grow taller.
That is perfect, Daniel. Even one small plant on a balcony can bring you so much joy and happiness. Plants and flowers make our homes look nicer and smell so wonderfully fresh.
Speaking of smelling fresh, let us talk about the spring air. In spring, I love to open all the windows in my house early in the morning. The cool, fresh breeze comes inside and makes every room smell incredibly good.
Opening the windows is one of the best feelings in the world. It completely pushes the old, warm winter air out and brings the crisp spring air in. It always gives me a lot of extra energy to clean up my house.
You are talking about the famous spring cleaning. Many people around the world do a very big cleaning of their houses in the spring. They sweep the floors, wash all the windows, and organize their messy closets.
Yes, spring cleaning is a very popular tradition in many different countries. It feels so nice and peaceful to have a perfectly clean house when the new season starts. It really feels like a fresh new start for the rest of the year.
It really is a fresh start for everyone and everything. And it is not just the plants and the houses that wake up. All the animals in nature wake up too. Have you heard the wild birds singing lately, Emma?
Yes, I hear them outside my window every single morning. The birds sing so loudly and beautifully in the spring. I think they are just very happy that the warm, sunny weather is finally back.
I love to sit outside on my porch with my morning cup of coffee and simply listen to the birds. It is a very quiet and peaceful way to start the day. What other animals do you usually see in the spring?
I see many little insects flying around, like colorful butterflies and busy little bees. The bees are very busy, flying from one flower to another flower all day long. They are searching for sweet nectar inside the flowers.
The butterflies are so incredibly beautiful with their brightly colored wings. Sometimes I also see baby animals when I walk in the big city park. I love seeing the little baby ducks swimming behind their mother in the cool water.
Oh, baby ducks are absolutely adorable. Spring is definitely the main season for new life everywhere. Many wild animals have their new babies during this time because the weather is finally nice and warm for them.
That makes perfect sense. It is much easier for the animal parents to find food for their babies in the spring. There is plenty of soft green grass, little bugs, and fresh leaves to eat.
Let us talk a bit more about what people like to do outside. Now that the weather is nice and warm, people naturally spend a lot more time outdoors. Personally, I really like to go for very long walks in the afternoon.
Walking is a truly wonderful and gentle form of exercise. I also really like to go to the park and ride my bicycle on the long paths. Feeling the warm spring wind on my face is so refreshing and nice.
Riding a bicycle is a very fun and healthy activity. Another absolutely great spring activity is having an outdoor picnic with friends. Have you ever had a lovely spring picnic, Daniel?
Oh yes, I absolutely love having picnics. I like to pack a large wooden basket with fresh sandwiches, sweet fruit, and some cold, refreshing drinks. Then I find a quiet spot and sit on a large blanket in the green grass.
That sounds like an absolutely perfect afternoon to me. Eating food outside in the fresh air always makes it taste so much better. You can relax on your blanket, eat good food, and look up at the beautiful blue sky above you.
Yes, and sometimes you can see large, white, fluffy clouds slowly moving across the sky. And if you are very lucky, you might even see a colorful rainbow after a sudden spring rain shower.
Rainbows are so magical and beautiful to look at. They have so many bright and wonderful colors painted across the sky. You can clearly see red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple shining brightly.
Spring really is just like a giant, beautiful painting created by nature. Everything around us is so incredibly colorful and full of bright life. Looking at all this beauty makes me feel very positive and happy about the future.
I feel the exact same way, Daniel. The beautiful spring season gives us hope and entirely new energy to do things. It is very important to try to go outside every day and simply enjoy the bright sunshine.
Sunshine is actually very good for our physical health and our overall mood. Just being outside gives us the good energy we need to learn new things and practice our English. And speaking of English, our wonderful listeners are doing a great job listening to us today.
Yes, you are all doing so wonderfully today. Listening to a simple, friendly podcast like this one is a fantastic way to improve your English skills. You are learning many new English words just by relaxing, sitting back, and listening to our voices.
Exactly, Emma. You do not ever need to stress or worry about understanding every single grammar rule. Just try to listen to the natural rhythm of our voices and completely enjoy our friendly conversation. We are both very proud of the progress you are making every day.
We really are very proud of you. Now, let us do a short, helpful recap of the main words and ideas we talked about today. This will definitely help you to remember all the new and useful vocabulary we used.
That is a very good idea, Emma. First of all, we talked about the changing weather. We learned that in the spring, the weather usually gets very warm, bright, sunny, and sometimes quite rainy.
That is perfectly right. And then we also talked about what kinds of clothes we like to wear. We said that we wear light jackets, very comfortable clothes, and we always use an umbrella when the rain falls.
We also spent a lot of time talking about beautiful nature. We noted that the dry grass turns green, the trees grow fresh leaves, and the beautiful, colorful flowers begin to bloom in the lovely gardens.
Please do not forget about the little animals. We talked about how we hear the birds singing, and we see colorful butterflies and very busy bees. We also mentioned seeing many cute baby animals, like baby ducks.
And finally, we discussed many fun outdoor spring activities. We said that people really like to go for long walks, ride their bicycles, have nice picnics in the park, and do a big spring cleaning in their homes.
That was a truly excellent recap, Daniel. Those are very useful and common words for everyday English conversations. If you can remember these simple words, you can easily talk to anyone about the beautiful spring season.
We genuinely hope that you enjoyed our fun conversation about spring today. We really loved sharing our favorite springtime activities and thoughts with you. You are doing a truly fantastic job learning and practicing the English language.
Please always remember to practice a little bit of your English every single day. Even just 10 or 15 minutes of careful listening can make a very big difference in your skills. Keep up the truly great work and never give up on learning.
If you liked listening to this podcast episode today, please make sure to subscribe to the Learn English Hub channel. Hit the thumbs up like button, and please leave us a friendly comment below the video.
Yes, we would love to hear from you. Please tell us in the comments, what is your absolute favorite thing to do in the spring season? We would love to read all of your wonderful answers. Thank you so much for listening today, and have a beautiful, happy day.
Goodbye, everyone. Keep smiling, and we will definitely see you in the very next episode.